Welcome to this meditation session where we focus on embracing fearlessness and the beauty around us. In this journey, we will encourage the gentle unfolding of the mind and soul. Let us start the quest towards becoming unafraid by grounding ourselves in the present moment. You will find tranquility and calmness blooming within you. Begin by gently closing your eyes and noticing the heaviness or lightness of your body as it settles into the space you occupy. Beauty is all around us, waiting to be acknowledged and enjoyed without fear. As we explore the beauty in our surroundings, we will also delve deep within ourselves, uncovering the innate courage that resides there. Beauty can be a soothing sight, a comforting sound, or a serene sensation. As you establish a connection with this courage, you will find a newfound confidence to enjoy beauty unreservedly. Shift your attention to how your breath feels as it enters and leaves your body. Throughout life, fear often veils the incredible beauty that exists both within and all around us. By allowing fearlessness to blossom, you open doors to experiences that might have otherwise been shadowed. Fearlessness offers a sense of liberation, an ability to savor and relish the world in its grandeur. Notice the subtle sensations arising in your toes and how they ground you to the earth beneath. There is an intricate connection between the heart and the mind when it comes to experiencing beauty. Without fear, the heart is open, prepared to receive beauty, and the mind is calm, ready to appreciate it. This beautiful harmony allows you to be truly present and grateful for each experience. Feel the calming rhythm of your heart and allow its beat to synchronize with your breath. It is in moments of stillness that the allure of beauty truly reveals itself. The invitation to enjoy begins with letting go of the chains of apprehension. As you let fear fade away, you will find beauty is not just a visual experience, but a soulful journey. Rest your focus on the sensation of your hands resting gently in your lap, and notice any warmth or tingling there. In overcoming fear, new doors open to unparalleled joys and pleasures. The beautiful moments that life offers become more vivid, more meaningful, once fear is dismissed. Embrace this potential for positivity and growth as it leads you closer to a fear-free life. Notice the temperature of your skin and feel how the air lightly brushes over it. Our journey has revealed the extraordinary things that occur when fear takes its leave and beauty is embraced. You can hold an unwavering confidence to soak in the magnificence of the world. This fearlessness empowers you to seek beauty, to hold it close, and to appreciate every nuanced expression of it. Focus your mind on the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen with each breath. As we conclude, remember that fearlessness is a continual practice, an unfolding that happens within you each day. Through the practice of stillness and the appreciation of beauty, fear gently slips away. You have the strength to step into a world unafraid, to swim in its depth and bask in its beauty. Feel any remaining tension dissipate from your neck and shoulders as you prepare for the end of this session. Thank you for joining this meditation session focused on becoming unafraid and embracing beauty. We hope you carry this sense of peace and empowerment forward into your daily life. May your heart continue to open and your fears dissolve like mist in the morning sun. With readiness, gently bring your awareness back to the room and open your eyes when you are ready.